Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Empower employee account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Empower employees account, what you can do is just open up your browser. So you can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for employee login Empower. After searching for that option, you'll come up to this page where you can find this first option which says Employee and Manager Portal Login. So you just have to tap on that option. After tapping on that option, you will direct it to this website where you can easily log into your account. So in order to log into your employee account, what you can do is just tap on Portal Login and then select this first option which says Employee. And then you will direct it to this page where you can log into your account. So to log into your account, you just have to enter your username and password. So after entering your username and password, what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. But if you don't have an account, what you can do is just tap on register, and by tapping on register, you can easily create your account by entering the following details. But if you have forgotten your username or password, what you can do is just easily reset or recover your username or password by tapping on forgot username or by tapping on password, whichever you forgot. And after selecting those options, just reset your username or your password by creating a new one. And after creating a new password, just come back to this page and just enter the new password or username that you have created. And after doing that, just tap on login and you will successfully log into your Empower account. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your Employee Empower account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Employee Empower account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.